Hey everybody, today I'm working on a 14 by 14 canvas and I'm going to be using some Halloween colors. I've got black and it's Artist Loft black. I think it's Flow Acrylic. And then this one is purple or violet and it is from the Fine Touch. And then I've got orange and that one's also from the Fine Touch and it's called Orange Yellow. And then I've got yellow. And that one's from the Fine Touch as well, and it is Yellow Medium. So I'm going to get started, and I'm going to be using the bottom of a water bottle. Alright guys, we're going to go in for the close-up. I really liked this painting until the middle. That's the only part that I wasn't happy with. But since I didn't really care for the middle and I had kind of messed it up a little, then I just threw the silicone on. Alright, so after I stared at this for a while, I still didn't really like it. So I went ahead and just slid all of that middle stuff off. And this is what I've got left. It looks, to me it looks better. I mean, I'm still not 100% happy with it. But I just wanted to attempt these colors. And so now I'm gonna leave it. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.